Ditch the indicators. Master Naked Forex. Trading in 9 minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, have you ever looked at your charts and felt overwhelmed by all the indicators? MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands. It's like a bowl of indicator soup, right? Today, we're diving into a book that completely changed how I trade. Naked Forex by Alex Nekritin and Walter Peters. This book throws out the rule book, ditches the indicators, and shows you how to trade Forex using pure raw price action. We've all been there, stacking indicator on top of indicator, hoping for that magical signal. But here's the thing, indicators lag. They're based on past price data, and by the time they scream buy or sell, the big move might already be over. Naked Forex argues that the purest, most reliable indicator is the price itself. It's like reading the market's mind instead of relying on someone else's interpretation. So if you're tired of cluttered charts and want to learn how to read the market like a pro, buckle up. In this video, I'm breaking down the key takeaways from Naked Forex and showing you how to apply them to your trading. Make sure to watch till the end, and if you find this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let's start with the big question. Why ditch indicators? I mean, they look cool, right? All those lines and colors, it feels like you're in a spaceship cockpit. But here's the truth. Indicators are like those fancy, expensive car features you never actually use. They might look impressive, but they won't necessarily make you a better trader. Think about it. Indicators are derived from price. They're just mathematical formulas crunching past price data. So, you're essentially looking at a delayed, filtered version of what the price is already telling you. It's like trying to understand a conversation by listening to a bad translation. Naked Forex argues that by removing indicators, you're removing distractions and focusing on the purest form of market data, price action. You're seeing the market's true intentions, not a lagging interpretation of it. Plus, indicators can be misleading. They often give conflicting signals, leaving you paralyzed by analysis paralysis. One minute the RSI is screaming overbought, the next minute the MACD is saying buy, buy, buy. This doesn't mean indicators are completely useless. They can be helpful for confirmation or spotting potential trends, but relying on them solely can be a recipe for disaster. The beauty of Naked Forex trading is that it simplifies your analysis. You're no longer trying to decipher a bunch of squiggly lines. Instead, you're focusing on the core elements of the market: price swings, trends, support, and resistance levels. This allows you to react faster to market movements and make more informed trading decisions. It's like learning to ride a bike without training wheels. It might seem scary at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll have more control and freedom. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, trading without indicators sounds intimidating. But trust me, it's not as complicated as it seems. In the next chapter, we'll dive into some simple, yet powerful price action strategies that you can start using right away. So, stick around. Now let's get to the exciting part, the actual strategies from the book. These are proven techniques used by pro traders to read the raw price action and make profitable trades. No fancy indicators, just pure, unadulterated price movements. One of the most powerful strategies is the pin bar. This candlestick pattern is like a neon sign flashing reversal. It typically forms at the end of a trend and signals a potential shift in momentum. Imagine a tug of war. The pin bar is that moment when one team suddenly gains the upper hand. Another key strategy is identifying support and resistance levels. These are like invisible barriers on the chart where the price tends to bounce off of. Think of them as the floor and ceiling of the market. When the price approaches a support level, it's like a ball bouncing off the ground. It's more likely to bounce back up than break through. Then we have trend lines, one of the most fundamental concepts in technical analysis. By simply drawing a line connecting swing highs or swing lows, you can identify the direction of the trend and potential entry and exit points. It's like following a roadmap. The trend line shows you where the market is headed. Naked Forex also emphasizes the importance of candlestick patterns. These patterns, like the engulfing pattern, the doji, and the hammer, provide valuable insights into the balance between buyers and sellers. Each candlestick tells a story, and by learning to read these stories, you can anticipate future price movements. The book also covers chart patterns, like the head and shoulders pattern, double tops, and double bottoms. These patterns signal potential trend reversals and offer high-probability trading opportunities. It's like recognizing a familiar face in a crowd. Once you spot these patterns, you can anticipate what's coming next. Remember, the key to mastering these strategies is practice. The more you analyze charts and identify these patterns, the better you'll become at reading the market's language. But here's the thing. Even the best strategies won't guarantee profits if you don't manage your risk properly. That's where the next chapter comes in. Now we're getting into the nitty-gritty of trading, risk management. This is where most traders, especially beginners, trip up. They might have winning strategies, but poor risk management can wipe out their accounts faster than you can say margin call. Naked Forex emphasizes that trading is not about being right or wrong, it's about managing your risk so that even when you're wrong, you don't blow up your account. It's like playing chess. You need to think several moves ahead and anticipate your opponent's next move. One of the most important concepts in risk management is position sizing. This means determining how much of your capital you're willing to risk on any given trade. A good rule of thumb is to risk no more than 1 to 2% of your account balance on a single trade. Think of it like this. Your trading account is your army, and each trade is a battle. You don't want to send your entire army into a single battle and risk losing everything. Instead, you want to deploy your troops strategically and preserve your resources for future battles. Another crucial aspect is setting stop-loss orders. These are predetermined prices at which you'll automatically exit a trade to limit your losses. It's like having an insurance policy on your trades. It might not be exciting, but it can save you from financial ruin. Naked Forex also stresses the importance of having a trading plan. This is a written document that outlines your trading strategy, risk management rules, and profit targets. It's like having a roadmap for your trading journey. It keeps you focused and disciplined, especially during emotional times. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistently making profitable trades over the long term, not chasing quick wins. By managing your risk effectively, you're increasing your chances of staying in the game and achieving your financial goals. Even the best strategies will fail if you don't manage risk properly. Naked Forex emphasizes trading psychology and discipline. You see, trading is as much a mental game as it is a technical one. You can have the best strategies in the world, but if your mindset isn't right, you're doomed to fail. One of the biggest psychological hurdles traders face is fear and greed. Fear can paralyze you from taking trades, while greed can lead to overtrading and reckless decisions. It's like being stuck between a rock and a hard place. You need to find the sweet spot between caution and aggression. Naked Forex emphasizes the importance of emotional detachment. You can't let your emotions cloud your judgment. Every trade should be based on logic and analysis, not on your gut feeling or how much you want to win. Think of it like a poker game. You can't let your emotions show on your face. You need to stay calm, collected, and make calculated decisions based on the cards you're dealt. Another key aspect of trading psychology is discipline. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a trade and deviate from your trading plan. But discipline is what separates the amateurs from the professionals. It's about sticking to your rules, even when it's hard, and not letting emotions dictate your actions. The book also talks about the importance of patience. Successful trading is not about getting rich quick. It's about patiently waiting for the right opportunities and then capitalizing on them. It's like being a sniper. You need to wait for the perfect shot, and when the time is right, you take it with precision. Remember, trading is a journey of self-discovery. It's about learning to control your emotions, mastering your mindset, and developing the discipline to execute your trading plan flawlessly. And that's a wrap. You now have a solid understanding of Naked Forex and how to trade with pure price action. Remember, it's not about memorizing a bunch of indicators. It's about understanding the language of the market and making smart, calculated decisions. Comment below. Have you ever tried trading without indicators? What's your favorite price action strategy? Let's start a conversation and learn from each other's experiences. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I'm constantly sharing valuable insights and strategies to help you level up your trading game. See you in the next one. Happy trading!